Hi faves, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. It's a brand new year. It's a brand new year. What a way to start the vlog. It's a brand new year. They always say wherever the new year catch you or whatever the new year catch you doing, that's what you'll be doing for the rest of the year. Is that so? But the new year catch me in the mountains. You guys can see all that snow behind me. You guys, we are returning home today. Yes, you heard that right. We are returning home today one day earlier than our initial plan. So we paid to stay here for 1 week and we should have left. We should be leaving tomorrow, but we decided to leave today. The reason why we decided to leave today is because when we sit and think about it, the traffic to get here was ridiculous. The traffic to get here, instead of 2 to 3 hour drive, it took us about 5.5, almost 6 hours to get here. And that's because we got here the day after Christmas, where everybody was leaving to go to the mountains or go on vacation. So tomorrow everybody will be returning home to go back to school and back to work. So we decided to jumpstart a little bit and to leave today, so we reach home tonight. So it's the afternoon right now. We all packed. I just finished cleaning the cabin. Everything is all fresh, just the way we came and saw it. Everything is all packed in the car. You can see babe down here just scrolling around. The kids are down there and we're just waiting on our in-laws right now to finish their cleaning so that we all can leave out together. So the plan is to leave here and then we're gonna stop at our in-laws a bit. Don't know if we and them will reach at the same time because they're gonna stop and eat lunch and we already have lunch. So we are gonna go straight. We have a key for their house, so we won't have to worry about how we're gonna get in and stuff like that. So if it's a case where we get there before them, we can get in and get what we want and then rest a bit and head on our way to home. So it's just to prevent us from driving an entire journey to home. So we'll just pause a bit. Tyler, what is it? Ty? 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 Yes. You okay? Yes. Okay. And also, we're not getting any snow here since we got here for the entire week. It's been raining. The weather haven't been what we expected it to be. So we haven't got to do two things. We haven't got to go to the indoor warm pool because we are all not feeling well, especially the kids. So we couldn't go in any water. So we didn't get to do that adventure. We didn't get to go skiing because Sarah is really not feeling well. So that's okay. We enjoy the stay away from home, but the next time we come back to the mountains, I'm sure we'll feel better and Sarah will be a little bit more grown, so the trip we'll be able to do skiing on that trip. But nonetheless, we had fun just being away from home. So that's why we are heading home one day early, but no worries. I'm sure I'm looking forward to my bed and I'm looking forward to getting Sarah back in her bed because Sarah's been sleeping with me because she's not feeling well and she don't have her own space and all that. But anyway, you guys, hope you guys start off the new year on a good note. The new year on a good note. It's a new year, new day. Do something different than what you've done last year. If it's just one thing that you've decided to stick to this year that you've been wanting to do for a long time, do it. Stick to something that you always want to change it. It's an opportunity to do something different, so capitalize on that opportunity and just go for it. I can't wait to get back home to get on my workout grind.
Happy New Year 2022. Happy New Year. Now all my wishes and my best wishes. Wishing you the best and everything else.
Yes. Alright, you guys, we're gonna get in the car and head on our way. So let's do this. what a long travel day it has been. We have finished the first leg of our travel. Stopped at my brother-in-law, pick up some things. Half of the kids' Christmas gift we cannot take with us because we have zero space in the car. Zero. The car is full to capacity. So look at him. So my brother-in-law will be sending them in the mail tomorrow so they'll reach us by Tuesday or Wednesday. You didn't know that, huh?
No, I said because they had so many cars.
Yes, I took 2 of your Lego boxes.
And
all of the other things, Tonton gonna send them tomorrow. So I'm gonna get them by mail. You're gonna get them by you come home from school on Tuesday or Wednesday.
So why we don't put them under the loose or in the trunk?
Everything under the loose, full. It's
Why
full.
we don't put it in?
Tie they cannot hold. The trunk is full. And I said they're gonna come tomorrow.
They can go to my house.
Yeah, he's gonna send them by mail.
I thought they were going to come to my
No, he's gonna send them by mail. Anyway, you guys, we're here at KFC on New Year's Day. Yes, you got that right. I'm trying to get food and then we're gonna eat and head home. So, should be a good day. It should be a good drive home, I should say. Look at this one. Sit properly. Papa, come in. Sit back. I was just thinking a while ago, why in God's name did I take wrap when I should be taking spicy wings? Alright, so Babe took wrap, I took wrap, and Tyler and Sarah have tenders. Alright, let's eat. Last leg on our way home.
Help me on the right.
Clear. And just like that, we're back to normal life. Oh, look at my husband though. You guys don't get to see this a lot. Beard and all ginger. This is the most you guys will see Babe have beard. Guys, we are back home tired, so we are gonna rest up and try to jump back into routine. So enjoy this little vlog that we have to show you guys. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the fam bam, and of course we'll see you guys tomorrow.